Welcome to the e-learning workshop part 4. As before, the Open University e-learning platform link, the instructions. After selecting the semester, example like semester 1, you can find the button add a new course. Click on the button. A new window will appear for adding a new course. In the given form, fill the terms like course full name, course short name if any, course starting date, course ending date, and course ID number. If there is any description for the course, fill the portion of course summary. If there is any course image, you can insert the image, or you can drag and drop the files to add them. That I will explain you in practical. The accepted image formats are .gif, .jpg and .png files. Under the course format, select the format you need, like single activity format, social format, topic format, and weekly format. Generally, the faculty will use either topic format or weekly format. From the number of sections, that is how many sections you need. Normally, a semester contains 14 to 15 weeks or lectures, and since it is a trial practical, we are taking just 5 sessions. The other options you can leave as it is, since it is by default. Then click save and return if you want to return to the course page, or click save and display if you want to display the page. So here we stopped up to this area in the first session. So here we are going to add a particular course for semester 1. Let it be okay. Anyhow, as a sample, I'm going to, since I'm having for introduction to software engineering and software requirement engineering, so I will just to give you as a demo for introduction to software engineering. I'm going to add uh, in semester 1. So after selecting the semester, example like semester 1, you can find a button. So I clicked semester 1. Okay. So now I am in the semester 1 option. So what you want to do first is, you want to first enter a course, add a new course. Click on add a new course. Another window will appear. That window will ask you to enter the course information, like course full name. Let me tell you, introduction to software engineering. And if there is any short name, okay, I am just writing as ISE, introduction to software engineering. This is by default for semester 1. Course visibility, show. It is show or hide. If it is hide, it will be hidden from the user. So show. And course starting date. Starting date, let it be today's date, that is 21 July 2020, and course end date. See here, they had by default they had given for 1 year. So what we can make it for 5 months or 4 months. Let it be up to September. So July to September. And course ID. So generally in the curriculum there will be a course ID. So I'm making it as ISE 123. Okay, that is the first step. The next step, if there is any description for the given course, you can give the description. So here, introduction to software engineering, which provides a fundamental of software engineering, like software engineer, scientist, programmer, etc., and software engineering skills. Okay. So the course summary that we are going to mention. And if you are having any course images, that is images for the given course. You can insert the course image over here. You can insert in two ways, either by attaching the file or adding the file, or dragging the file. That is from the, for example, from this in the personal category, let me book cover score sheet. So here these are all my books. So I have that over here, introduction to software engineering. I can drag it over here directly. Either I can drag it over here. So drag the given image. So you can find it over here now. So it is taking time because the net speed is a little bit low. So introduction to software engineering.png. See, these are all the three file types: .gif, .jpg or png files. These are all the three files. It will be acceptable over here. So either you can drag and drop, or you can download. Either you can drag and drop, or what you can do is you can go to the particular folder, select it, and then attach. Two way we can do. Okay. Then the next one is the course format. So there are totally 4 formats. Single activity. If you are having only a single activity, if you are having social format, then comes topics format and weekly format. So generally we will use either topics format or weekly format, like topics 1, topic 2, topic 3, like that, or week 1, week 2, etc. like that. Okay. And the other sections you can keep. And okay, the next one is regarding the number of sections. Generally for every semester we are having 14 to 15 weeks. Okay. For time being, let us take only 5 weeks because it's a demonstration section. Then you can use 2 buttons, either save and return or save and display. If you are going to save and return, if you use save and return, it will return to the course page. Or if you are clicking save and display, it will display the given page. So I am just clicking save and return. So what will happen? It will take you to the course page. So we already used in another course. See here, this one I already introduced in software engineering, that is in the faculty of computer studies. So I can make it as, let it be 1, and okay, this one let it be 4. I think the same. No. It can be. It is okay. So now save and return. Now the course introduction, that is the course page, it enters into the course page. That is the end of this session. Okay. Thanks for your participation. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel for continuous support. The next part, that is part 5, is coming soon.